So today I'm going to be going over with you 4 different Excel functions. As you can see, the ones up here are the ones that I went over in the previous video. Now, in today's video, the new ones that I'm showing you are a power function, or basically something squared. So this one will be 12 squared. Now, if I want, I can put 12 to the third power, which would be 12 cubed, and I'll get a different answer. This is 6 cubed, and the latter one is 8 squared. So the other function I want to go over with is the ceiling function. Now, the ceiling function goes up to the highest later increment after the number. So, if you look at the number to the left, you'll see 37.5288 or whatever it is. And since I put in 3 after the comma, it's going to go up to 39 because 36 then 39 goes up to increments of 3. So this one goes up to increments of 5. So it rounds up, so it doesn't go down. The third one will be an increment of 12. So 96, and then the one that goes backwards is going to be 84. So as you can see, it goes up. This one is going to be an increment of 10. For the floor, it's going to be the same thing. This one rounds down to the closest increment. So as you can see, the floor is going to be an increment of 10, but it's going to be 100 this time. This one is rounding down for increments of 12. So after 84, it'll be 96. But since this is the floor function and not the ceiling function, it's going to go down. This one is increments of 3. So instead of 21, which would be more than this number, it's going to go down. So let's say it was 12. Oh, here, I'll just put 12 in there. It's basically going to be 12. That's what you're going to get. This one, I believe, is increments of 5. Now, the concatenate, I really don't know if I'm pronouncing this word right, but I do know how to use it. So, excess is basically what it's writing out here. Now, what you're gonna see is different. The coding is different. So four different columns or cells, and they're all put together by this formula. So a comma between each word, and as you can see, Excel is the new. Basically, I'm not trying to write anything fancy, but it combines everything, and it says Excel is the new. So I don't know how to pronounce this properly. So, but you can see it's Concatenate. That is for those with disabilities if they need to hear. So thank you again, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video.